The era of buying gadgets just because they look cool in a futuristic commercial is officially over. In 2026, the tech that actually makes sense is the stuff that disappears into your routine and solves your everyday problems in just a few seconds. Today, we're going to cover the top 10 smart gadgets that just make sense. 1. Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses, the no-phone future. For years, we thought the future of vision was a massive headset that made you look like a deep-sea diver in your living room. Instead, 2026 has proven that the real winner is the pair of glasses you are going to wear anyway. The Ray-Ban Meta glasses are the first piece of hardware that actually makes a dent in our phone addiction. Why does this make sense right now? Because we've reached what many people call peak screen. Think about it. For the past decade, almost every moment worth remembering has been experienced through a phone camera. Concerts, birthdays, sunsets, hikes, people watching them through a 6-inch rectangle instead of actually being there. These glasses quietly flip that behavior. They let you capture 12-megapixel photos and 1080p video directly from eye level, which sounds like a small detail but changes everything about how moments are recorded. Instead of pulling out your phone, unlocking it, opening the camera, and framing a shot, you simply tap the side of the glasses or use a voice command. The result feels more natural. The photo you capture is literally what you were looking at. And then there's the audio system. Instead of blocking out the world like traditional headphones, these glasses use open-ear speakers that sit just above your ears. They whisper navigation directions, read notifications, or play music without isolating you from your surroundings. 2. 8 Sleep Pod. 4. The Thermal Sleep Revolution. We spend roughly 1/3 of our entire lives sleeping, yet most beds are surprisingly primitive. A mattress absorbs heat, traps it, and slowly turns into a warm sponge over the course of the night. The 8 Sleep Pod 4 challenges that old design completely. Instead of being just a mattress, it's a smart sleep system that actively manages your body temperature while you sleep. It works by placing a thin, smart cover over your existing mattress. Inside that cover are channels that circulate temperature-controlled water from a device called the hub. This allows the bed to warm or cool itself with incredible precision. And this matters more than most people realize. Your body temperature naturally drops when entering deep sleep. If your bed becomes too warm, your body struggles to stay in that restorative stage. That's why people often wake up around 3 a.m., feeling uncomfortable or restless. The Pod 4 solves that problem automatically. If the sensors detect your temperature rising, it quietly cools the bed down. If the room becomes too cold, it warms it up again. It's constantly adjusting throughout the night without you noticing. One of its most practical features is dual-zone temperature control. Anyone who has shared a bed knows the struggle. One person is freezing, while the other feels like they're inside an oven. With dual-zone cooling, both sides of the bed can have completely different temperatures. Your partner can sleep in warmth while you sleep in a cool environment. No compromise required. But the Pod 4 goes beyond temperature control. It tracks sleep quality, heart rate, breathing patterns, and sleep stages. Over time, it builds a detailed picture of how well you're recovering. And that's the key shift happening in 2026. People used to focus on activity tracking steps, workouts, calories. Now the focus is shifting toward recovery. Because it doesn't matter how hard you train or how busy your day is if your body never properly resets. The 8 Sleep Pod 4 treats sleep like an athlete treats training, not as downtime, but as a performance tool. 3. Withings BeamO, the checkup in your pocket. Telehealth changed the way people visit doctors. Instead of sitting in crowded waiting rooms, patients can now talk to physicians from home. But there was always a big problem. Doctors couldn't actually examine you. They could listen to symptoms, but they couldn't check your heart, lungs, or oxygen levels through a video call. The Withings BeamO closes that gap. It's a palm-sized device that works as a thermometer, ECG monitor, oximeter, and digital stethoscope, all in one. In simple terms, it turns your home into a mini medical station. You can place it against your chest to record your heart rhythm. You can measure oxygen saturation in seconds. You can even capture heart and lung sounds that doctors normally listen to with a stethoscope. And the best part? Those recordings can be sent directly to your doctor during a virtual appointment. Imagine having a cough or chest tightness. Instead of scheduling an in-person visit days later, you perform a quick scan at home and send the results instantly. For routine issues, this saves enormous amounts of time. Healthcare systems everywhere are overloaded. Clinics are filled with patients waiting hours for minor checkups. Devices like the BeamO reduce unnecessary visits while still keeping medical oversight intact. Another benefit is preventative care. When people have access to health data at home, they are more likely to notice early warning signs. Small irregularities can be caught before they turn into major health issues. So instead of healthcare being reactive, waiting until something goes wrong, it becomes proactive. And that's exactly where modern medicine is heading. 4. Oura Ring Gen 4, the stealth health tracker. Wearable technology has become common, but not everyone enjoys wearing a screen on their wrist all day. Smartwatches are useful, but they're also very visible. During a formal dinner, or while sleeping, many people would rather wear something subtle. We're talking about the Oura Ring Gen 4. At first glance, it looks like a normal titanium ring. But inside that ring are high-precision sensors that track heart rate, sleep stages, body temperature, and recovery metrics. It's essentially a full health tracker disguised as jewelry. The big trend behind this device is something called passive tracking. People are getting tired of constantly telling their devices what they're doing. Starting a workout, logging meals, and entering sleep times, it all requires manual input. Passive tracking removes that step. The Oura Ring automatically detects sleep patterns, physical activity, and recovery levels without you needing to press a single button. And when it comes to sleep monitoring, it's considered one of the most accurate consumer devices available. That accuracy comes from how it measures signals. Your finger contains strong blood flow, making it easier for sensors to detect heart rate and temperature changes compared to wrist-based devices. Because of that, the ring collects detailed data while remaining light and almost invisible. Many users say the same thing after a few days. They forget they're even wearing it. But the data it produces is powerful. Each morning, you receive a readiness score that summarizes how prepared your body is for the day ahead. If the score is low, it may recommend lighter activity or more rest. If it's high, your body is ready to perform. It's a simple system, but it quietly helps people make healthier daily decisions. 5. EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 Home Energy Independence. Energy used to be something people rarely thought about. You flipped a switch, the lights came on, and that was it. But over the last few years, energy reliability has become a growing concern. Power outages, rising electricity costs, and stressed power grids have made people rethink how dependent their homes are on centralized infrastructure. The EcoFlow Delta Pro 3 is designed to change that. At its core, it's a massive portable power station. But unlike smaller battery packs, this one can actually connect directly to your home's electrical system. When the power goes out, it activates almost instantly to keep essential appliances running. Your refrigerator stays on, your Wi-Fi keeps working, lights stay lit. In many cases, it can power critical devices for days depending on usage. But the most interesting part isn't emergency power, it's how people are using it during normal days. Electricity prices often fluctuate depending on demand. At night, power is usually cheaper because fewer people are using it. During the afternoon and evening, prices spike. The Delta Pro 3 allows homeowners to store cheap electricity at night and use that stored power during peak hours. This strategy is called peak shaving, and it can reduce electricity bills significantly. It's also compatible with solar panels, meaning homeowners can store energy from sunlight and use it whenever needed. This slowly moves homes toward a model called energy independence. Instead of relying completely on the grid, households generate and manage some of their own power. 6. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra, the zero-maintenance vacuum. Robot vacuums have existed for years, but many early versions came with an annoying truth. They still required a lot of maintenance. You had to empty the dustbin, clean tangled brushes, wash mop pads, and occasionally rescue them when they got stuck under furniture. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra finally pushes the idea of automated cleaning closer to reality. This machine doesn't just vacuum. It vacuums, mops, washes its mop pads with hot water, and dries them with heated air to prevent bacteria and mold. In other words, it cleans your floors and then cleans itself afterward. It also uses advanced mapping technology to understand the layout of your home. Furniture, walls, and obstacles are identified and remembered, so it can navigate efficiently. One of its standout features is a small robotic arm that helps reach tight corners where round vacuums normally struggle. That might sound like a tiny improvement, but corners are where most dust collects. The result is a cleaning system that requires almost no daily attention, and this reflects a bigger shift in technology priorities. People are starting to value time automation more than flashy features. A device that saves you 30 minutes every day may not sound exciting on paper, but over the course of a year, That adds up to more than 180 hours of reclaimed time. That's nearly a full week of your life, which is why truly autonomous home devices are becoming so appealing. 7. Schlage Encode Plus, the end of the key. Keys are one of those things that people rarely question. They've existed for centuries, so most homes still rely on them. But physical keys come with problems. They get lost, they can be copied, and sharing access with others usually involves hiding spare keys under doormats or flower pots. The Schlage Encode Plus eliminates those issues completely. It's a smart lock that works with Apple Home Key and the Matter Smart Home standard. Instead of inserting a key, you simply tap your phone or smartwatch against the lock. The door unlocks instantly. It works almost exactly like paying with contactless payment, but the real advantage appears when you need to give someone temporary access. If a friend, dog sitter, or repair technician needs to enter your home, you can send them a digital key through your phone. That key can be limited to certain days or hours. Once the time expires, the access disappears automatically. No need to track physical copies. The lock can also integrate with other smart home devices. When the door unlocks, hallway lights can turn on automatically. Security cameras can temporarily disarm. Thermostats can adjust when you arrive home. 8. Bird Buddy, nature connection for the digital age. Not every useful gadget is about productivity or efficiency. Some technology exists purely to improve everyday life in small but meaningful ways. The Bird Buddy is one of those devices. At first glance, it's simply a bird feeder, but hidden inside is a high-definition motion-activated camera powered by artificial intelligence. When a bird lands to eat, the camera automatically captures a photo or short video. The device then identifies the species and sends a notification to your phone. It's essentially like receiving a postcard from your backyard. Over time, you build a collection of birds that have visited your feeder. Different species appear depending on the season, weather, and location. The experience feels almost like a real-world nature game. But the real reason this gadget resonates in 2026 is something deeper. Modern life has become extremely digital. Many people spend entire days moving between screens, computers, phones, televisions without interacting with nature. 9. Dyson Zone, Purifier, Urban Defense. Air pollution has become one of the most persistent challenges of modern city life. Even in developed urban centers, air quality can fluctuate dramatically depending on traffic, construction, and weather conditions. The Dyson Zone approaches that problem from a personal level. It combines high-quality headphones with an air purification system that filters the air you breathe while walking through crowded areas. The device pulls in surrounding air, passes it through filters that remove pollutants and allergens, and directs clean air toward your nose and mouth. At the same time, it functions as a premium noise-canceling headset. This dual purpose addresses two major urban stressors, pollution and noise. When it first appeared, the design looked unusual, but over time, the concept began to make more sense. Cities are becoming denser. Commutes are getting longer. People are exposed to more environmental stressors than ever before. While individuals can't fix an entire city's pollution problem, they can control the air they personally breathe during daily commutes. 10. Philips Hue Secure, Integrated Defense. Home security systems used to operate in isolation. Cameras recorded video. Motion sensors detected movement. Lights simply turned on and off. But these systems rarely communicated with each other. The Philips Hue Secure system changes that by combining lighting, sensors, and cameras into a single coordinated security network. If an outdoor camera detects suspicious activity late at night, the system doesn't just send a phone notification. Instead, it activates a deterrence response. Lights around the house may suddenly turn bright red. Outdoor floodlights illuminate the yard. An alarm may sound to alert neighbors. The goal is not just to record crime after it happens. The goal is to prevent it entirely. Most intruders prefer darkness and anonymity. By instantly flooding an area with light and attention, the system removes those advantages. It turns your home lighting system into a form of active defense. And because it integrates with existing Hue lighting products, many homeowners can upgrade their security without installing an entirely new system. Now, which layer of invisible technology is still missing from your everyday life? Let us know in the comments below. And before you leave, make sure to hit that subscribe button.